Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our Abacus tutorial channel. Today I am excited to bring you a special lesson based on a query from one of our amazing learners, Jasmine. Thank you Jasmine for your thoughtful question. Before we dive in, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends and don't forget to leave your comments below. Your feedback keeps us motivated. Let's begin by refreshing our memory on the basics. I consider this rod with white dot as our home point or ones place. Moving left, we have tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and so on. Remember, multiplication on the abacus requires a good understanding of fives complements, tens complements and mixed complements. These formulas are your secret weapons to solve multiplication sums like a pro. If you have still confusion to apply this formula, please learn this formula thoroughly. The lessons are shared in the description. Please check it. Now, let's address Jasmine's query. How to multiply 27 by 19 using abacus. We will break it down into two simple and easy to follow steps with tips and tricks. Number of digits in the multiplicand is 2 and number of digits in the multiplier is 2. Total number of digits is 4, so we will start placing the product from the fourth rod. First, we will calculate 27 into 1 and start placing the product from the fourth rod. Next, we will calculate 27 into 9 and start placing the product from the third rod. First, multiply 27 by 1. 1 times 2, 2. We are multiplying 1 and 2, two-digit number, so our product should be in two-digit. But 1 times 2, 2. 2 is a single digit number. We need to put a 0 before 2. 0, 2. Next, 1 times 7, 7. Here we need to also put a 0 before 7. We start from that rod as we stopped here. 0, 5 and 2, 7. Now we will multiply 27 by 9 and start placing the product from the third rod. 9 times 2, 18. 1 on third rod, 8 on second rod. We cannot add 8 directly. Here we need to apply tens complements. Less a 2, add a 10 to add an 8. 9 times 7, 63. As we stopped here, we need to start from that place. This is second rod. We need to add 6 on second rod and add 3 on first rod. We can add 3 directly on first rod, but we cannot add 6 on second rod. To apply tens complements, we need to less a 4 and add a 10. Can you less a 4? No. Can you add a 10? No. It's not possible. Therefore, we need to apply mixed complements. To less a 4, we will apply a formula, and to add a 10, we will apply a different formula. To less a 4, less a 5, add a 1, and to add a 10, add a 50, less 40. As it is tens place, actually, we less 50 and add 10, and as it is hundreds place, actually we add 500 and less 400. The product is 5, 1, 3, 513. This multiplication sum may seem to you little tricky as we need to apply several formulas, but you can solve it easy and fun way if you have good knowledge of formulas, which is the most powerful secret to solve sum on abacus faster and accurate.